All right, if your vacuum has suddenly stopped picking up like it used to, it might not be anything wrong with it, except your roller might look like this. It's supposed to look like this. I've already cleaned one just to show you how it should look. So today I'm going to briefly show you how to clean this off. Some vacuums have um, little latches that make this detachable, and they get called for easy cleaning of the roller. Unfortunately, this vacuum does not have that, so we got to do it the hard way. And what you'll need is a pair of scissors and a box cutter if you have it. So, box cutter, pair of scissors. And what you want to do, you want to make sure that your blade is pretty sharp on both. What you want to do with the box cutter is just pick a spot and go round across. But you want to make sure you're not getting the bristles. So it's kind of hard to do with one hand. All right, so what you want to do is you want to take your box cutter, you want to hold it in place over here. You want to go away from your other hand, your left hand, and just go across in the same spot. Don't worry about scratching up the roller. You're not going to damage that. I mean, it'll get scratched up, but it won't break. Now, these rollers can get messed up real fast, especially if you're vacuuming fairly new rugs or newly installed carpet. All right, so we go across a few times and we see it's loosening up. You can just peel it. Just peel and pull. You want to take the scissors now and get this under there. When you use the box cutter, it loosens it up. And again, make sure you stay away from your other hand. And now you just pull it from the bottom and it'll roll around and just peel right off. And there you go. Now I'm being a little more thorough, getting it out of the corners, out of the sides there. But there you go. And see, it's already rolling a lot smoother than before. This thing barely budged. And you want to make sure you have a plastic bag handy to throw all that carpet and dirt into, like so. And that's pretty much it. Hopefully this video was helpful.